A new chapter in India-Japan partnership can be witnessed now. Namaskar, you're watching The Global Eye with me, Mas. From the busy and colorful streets of Tokyo to the towering halls of power, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's much anticipated visit to Japan has turned into a landmark moment not just for India and Japan, but for the entire Indo-Pacific. This is Prime Minister Modi's first visit to Japan in 7 years, and it has already set the stage for one of the most ambitious economic and strategic partnerships of the decade. Prime Minister Modi received a rousing welcome from the Indian diaspora in Japan, and it was a beautiful picture to watch. Thousands gathered, chanting slogans, singing songs, and even performing traditional dances. For many, this was not just a ceremonial reception. It was a heartfelt expression of hope, symbolizing the deep ties between the two nations. But what caught the global attention was the extraordinary diplomatic gesture by Japan's Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba, who cancelled the scheduled visit to the United States to personally welcome Prime Minister Modi in Tokyo. In the world of diplomacy, such gestures carry weight. They signal intent, priority, and trust, of course. And now we observe the economic roadmap where the two leaders unveiled a 10-year economic roadmap anchored by a bold pledge of more than 10 trillion yen in private sector investment, nearly 68 billion US dollars. This comes with a vision of boosting people-to-people exchanges with 500,000 Indians and Japanese expected to work, study, and innovate together over the next 5 years. Beyond the numbers lies a deeper message. Japan is betting on India's economic transformation, and India is inviting Japan to become a long-term partner in its growth story. Here we also see talent meeting technology. In his landmark address, Prime Minister Modi called India a talent powerhouse. Remember the term, talent powerhouse, and described Japan as a technology powerhouse, balancing. He said the fusion of these trends could redefine global manufacturing and innovation in the 21st century, just as the automobile sector once symbolized Indo-Japanese cooperation. The future may see collaboration in semiconductors, robotics, batteries, nuclear power, and advanced shipbuilding. This is not just cooperation, it is a strategic handshake where India's youthful energy and skills meet Japan's precision and technological excellence. If we see the picture of green energy and infrastructure of tomorrow, what we see? We see a glad cooperation. Prime Minister Modi reaffirmed India's climate commitment, achieving 500 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030 and 100 gigawatts of nuclear power by 2047. He invited Japan to co-create the future, investing in solar, green hydrogen, and clean infrastructure. A new joint credit mechanism between the two countries will further accelerate sustainable energy projects. This partnership is not just about growth. It's about building a sustainable, clean, and resilient future. This visit also carries immense geopolitical weight. With US tariffs escalating under President Donald Trump's trade policies, Japan's cancellation of its Washington trip in favor of welcoming Prime Minister Modi sends a powerful signal. Tokyo and New Delhi are quietly but firmly shaping a new axis of cooperation, one that balances China's rise, adapts to American unpredictability, and gives Asia its own voice in global trade and security. So it is not just about economics. It is about strategic autonomy, resilience, and rewriting the rules of Asian diplomacy. Now, Why this visit matters? Because of the geo-economic resilience. By pooling resources, India and Japan aim to cushion themselves from global trade disruptions. And the strategic autonomy, India diversifies alliances while Japan builds a counterbalance in the Indo-Pacific. And also, the scope in investment and innovation. With billions pledged, the partnership ensures technology transfers, jobs, and capacity building. A positive sign of people centric growth. Of course, we see ahead. 500,000 people will directly benefit through talent exchanges, cultural ties, and skills development. As the world's power centers shift, could the India Japan partnership emerge as the true economic heart of Asia? With clean energy at the center of global debates, will the synergy between India and Japan set the gold standard for climate leadership? In an age of tariffs, tensions, and uncertainty, will this Tokyo New Delhi axis redefine the future of the Indo Pacific? Can India's youthful talent and Japan's technology forge a sustainable model for growth, not just for Asia but for the entire global south? In just 48 hours, Prime Minister Modi's visit has transformed the India Japan partnership into a blueprint for shared prosperity and strategic influence. From investments worth billions to promises of green growth, from the handshake of trust to the symbolism of sacrifice, this visit is a reminder that diplomacy is not just about today, but about shaping tomorrow. And as Prime Minister Modi prepares to head to China for the SCO summit, the world will be watching closely how will this new axis of cooperation influence Asia's destiny. For more updates and insights, stay tuned to the Global Eye.